Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a tarot card reading and message. The card today is the Ace of Cups, and I'm going to be comparing two decks, the Waite-Smith deck and the Gilded Tarot deck. But before we do, I am Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. I'm the creator of the Confident Tarot course. If you want to know more about tarot cards, reading tarot cards, Wicca, witchcraft, shadow work and magic, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to become a confident tarot reader using your intuition as well as your knowledge, the Confident Tarot Reader course is a 7-module course that will teach you step by step how to read the cards with your intuition, getting to know the cards using your intuition and storytelling. For those of you who struggle with reading the cards when they turn up in a reading, like the Celtic Cross, for example, it's very easy to just go, oh my gosh, I have no idea what these cards mean when they're in a reading. You don't need to feel like a deer in the headlights anymore. You can use all of this storytelling method to understand the story that the cards are telling you. So take a look at the Confident Tarot Reader course, 7-module course, and you can do it in your own time. Link in the description field below this video. The Ace of Cups came up for the reading today, and I decided to choose I always use the Waite-Smith as one of the decks to compare with, and this time it's the Gilded Tarot. They're both beautiful decks. The Gilded Tarot is very colourful, and of course it's one of the more modern decks. But the old go-to Waite-Smith deck is also very beautiful and rich with esoteric symbolism. The Ace of Cups is a card about love, joy, beauty, healing, births, new beginnings in the realm of emotion. So emotional beginnings. It's a card of hope. When it turns up in a reading, it's symbolizing possibility. There's the possibility of wonderful things. There's a possibility of beautiful things, a possibility of romance, partnerships, self-love, healing. It's a card with a lot of beautiful potential. The energy of Cups is water. It's a water element. It's about that energy of water that is just persistent. Water can wear away anything over time. So it's actually a very strong element. So it's not just all of the sort of fluid, nice stuff. Water can also be very powerful. And the Suit of Cups certainly shows you that when you go through the story of Cups, from the Ace right through until the 10. You go through a whole story of how the emotions and how water can make changes in your life. But at the very beginning, like all of the aces, this is a card full of potential. And you can see that with the colors. On the Waite-Smith deck, you've got a beautiful, bright yellow or golden color for the cup itself. You've got the blue mountains in the background. There's a little bit of sort of green and a kind of a lily pond, and it looks like, you know, quite a large pond, or it could even be an ocean. And then you've got this hand, the hand of the divinity, the divine hand, presenting you with this cup of overflowing opportunities. So if this is a message for you today, your cup is overflowing with opportunities here for something that can bring you great joy. Okay, great sustenance, great healing in your life, and it's overflowing, and it's being offered to you. It's up to you if you take it, but it's being offered to you. So where can you take that? How can you take that cup that's being offered to you? It could be a new romance in your life. It could be to do with your health. It could be friendships. It might even be a job you love or a business you love. It's something that's coming to you, being offered to you, that is about joy and love and beauty and health. So that could be a message for you. With the Gilded Tarot, we've got different imagery. We still have this golden cup that's there with this eye in the center here. And the eye in this cup is symbolizing the eye of the divine, or the divine knowing, or your higher self, if you want to see it that way. And out of the eye is coming that beautiful light energy there, presenting the cup. So it's again being highlighted by the divine clarity, the divine eye, highlighting this beautiful, loving, healing energy of the cup. There's also the lunar cycle in the background. So we're connecting to the cycles. So in this cycle, we're seeing the cup being full. So it's like a full moon energy. With the cup here, it's also connecting it to the feminine energy of water, which is connecting to the moon. You've also got the water down the bottom as well. And rainbow colors in the background. So this is a card of great blessings. And the energy that I pick up from the Gilded Tarot version is that this is something that's being presented that is with great blessings, okay? So it's like you're being blessed with this opportunity here. So very simple message really is something is being offered to you. It's a blessing and it's overflowing with opportunities to experience either health, love, beauty, joy, romance in some aspect of your life. And all of that I get from just the pictures on the cards. Yes, there are meanings to the cards, and you can certainly learn the meanings when you're learning tarot. But the pictures are really what you connect with, what your subconscious mind is going to connect with. And knowing what a card means and also connecting to the imagery on the cards and seeing the card as telling a story. Even a single card can tell a story. Or if you get two different cards together, you can tell a story. And this is how you can build your confidence in being a person who can read the tarot cards. It means also, if you learn to read the tarot intuitively, you can pick up almost any deck and be able to read it simply by tuning into the images on the deck. Even if it's a deck that is slightly different from your standard tarot cards. So there are tarot cards out there that have slightly different meanings for the cards, and you can still pick up those decks and actually tune into the actual pictures on those decks and get the meaning coming from the pictures, as well as connecting to what it might mean, knowing what the meanings are. So if you do want to learn how to do that with confidence and you would like to have it in a structured learning style, so from a course format, the Confident Tarot Reader course is there available for you to access at any time. So the link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. Blessed be.